From when the patient walks into the door to when they leave, our goal is to have extraordinary care at every level.
All the surgeons want what's best for their patients. We have a great team throughout the whole spectrum.
From our physician's assistants and our nurse practitioners and our office staff and our OR staff, the people here are just so amazing to work with. And that team mentality to being in the office and being in the operating room, I think, is what kind of drives the quality patient care more than anything.
My goal for patients is to get them back to their normal daily routine and normal daily activities without having to worry about their knee pain or hip pain. That's a successful outcome for me.
Our sports medicine program here is pretty vast. It's one of the things that actually attracted me to Covenant when I was first coming out of fellowship. Covenant are the official team physicians for Saginaw Valley State University. We also work with the Saginaw Spirit at the professional level. We have a vast coverage network in the local community for our athletes. I feel blessed to have ended up in orthopedic surgery because when it comes to quality of life improvement, it's probably one of the biggest things we get to see in our specific field. There's a huge spectrum from simple tweaks, sprains, all the way up through major tendon and ligament reconstructions that we take care of here.
We use the robot mainly with arthroplasty and total hip arthroplasty procedures. It helps with obtaining a good long-term outcome.
There's constantly new implants and technologies coming out that allow for us to better treat patients with injuries more efficiently.
I really enjoy talking through the process with patients, giving them all of the information. I feel like it empowers the patient when they can get their questions answered ahead of time, just puts their mind at ease as they're getting ready for surgery.
And then I think sometimes just discussing the surgery, discussing the risks, knowing what it looks like can really help alleviate some of those fears. And having them go over the options, discuss the non-operative measures that you may not know were available, from injections or therapy or bracing, that can help and prolong your quality of life without needing surgery.
A lot of times those people get better without having to have a surgical procedure done. So it's not like everyone has to have surgery that walks through this office. If we feel that we need additional imaging or additional studies, it's very helpful that here at Covenant we have CT scanners, MRIs. If we need to obtain laboratory studies or other studies, they're all available here at Covenant.
We always collaborate as a team and make sure that that patient is ending up with a physician that's the most qualified for their complex problem. We have such great collegiality amongst all the specialties in the hospital that we can make sure that all aspects of that patient's care that are needed are approached efficiently together.
Our teamwork makes Covenant extraordinary. We really care about you.